Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option to practice our TalkBack's gestures in Motorola Edge 50 Neo phone. So we want to practice our TalkBack's gestures or to remind us what they are. So first, settings. Now accessibility, then TalkBack. Then we need to open settings, and then we have here our tutorial and help options. And we have tutorial. Of course, we need to have our TalkBack's enabled to use tutorial, and also practice gestures. We also need to have our tutorial, to have our TalkBack on. But the option is right here, and as you can see, it's pretty easy to find. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.